we will have some important discussion over Forex trading for beginners. I am not going to make you bored by talking too much, but I will get into the main point straight away for your Forex and stock market trading. If you are a trader, the most important question to ask is, where is the winning opportunity for Forex trading? This is the question every trader should and must ask. The simple answer is that this image visualizes such a winning opportunity. Say that the market, or for an example, euro to dollar or Bitcoin, have the large cycle and small cycle. Your best opportunity will be in the area where both small and large cycles are boosted together, shown as the dotted line in the image. That is the thin intersection where both experienced momentum trader and experienced reversal trader are jumping in together. However, there is one problem in this image, although its concept is perfectly sound. For example, the market does not have the deterministic cycle, which we can track its peak and trough with fixed time interval as in the sine curve of the physics textbook. Hence, this image is only educational to conceptualize the trading idea. If it was like that, the money making in Forex or stock market would have been so much easier, buying EURUSD on Monday low and selling at Friday high, something like this or similar. In fact, what makes us hard is that the market cycle is non-deterministic or stochastic. Market cycle is fuzzy and dirty like this image. Sometimes, price is in slow cycle and sometimes price in fast cycle. Sometimes price swings around big amplitude and sometimes price swings around only small amplitude. It is the observations we can make every day in Forex and stock market, the fuzzy and dirty cycles instead of the clean sine curve-like cycle. Here is the main catch. Fractal wave is the representation of this fuzzy and dirty cycles in the financial market. It is almost the direct representation of this fuzzy and dirty cycles. Hence, the fractal wave-derived technical analysis is good help in finding the right timing to enter the market. In fact, these are the timing tool for your trading in the first hand. I listed the fractal wave-derived technical analysis for your information here. Now, let us going back to this educational image as we have some more points to add. Technically speaking, the good trading opportunity will be there where small and large cycles are boosted together. Now we have learned that. Then starter will have the question something like this. Then how to find opportunity like this where small and large cycles are boosted together in the fractal wave way? In the fractal wave way, catching the moment where the small and large cycles are boosted together is done by combining more than two techniques to gauge your entry instead of just using one single technique. Hence, if you want to become a good trader, then training and practice are a must requirement. Here is one final note. As the market is non-deterministic, meaning that the market only follows the probabilistic cycle, your outcome is not going to be bulletproof. Therefore, we can only trade with the high probability setup.